How to use drawers with CabinetM. Start by creating a new drawer and giving it a name. Product and company profiles can be added to a drawer from the product search results page, or from directly within a product profile. Within a drawer, you can easily add notes to the product profiles as you go through and evaluate each product. Easily create side-by-side comparisons of up to 3 products by clicking on the Compare button shown beside the product. To edit this comparison, you click, name your comparison, add it to a drawer, and then click Submit. Now once you've done that, you can put in your own ratings of these tools, add your recommendations and eval notes, and even add other key features that were important to you, or eliminate those that weren't. Once you've added your information, you can download to a PDF and share with stakeholders inside your organization.